Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. This is another example of things you can do with a WhatsApp API and things you can do for your customer service and your customer support and all that. In this case, this is a WhatsApp number for Punto Farma. Punto Farma is a pharmacy chain in Colombia, I think. No, Paraguay, sorry. So, hello Paraguay. And when you send a message to Punto Farma, you go to their WhatsApp number, and you have this welcome message. Thank you for communicating with Punto Farma. My name is FarmiBot. How can I help you? No, and you have 4 options: sales, tracking of shipments, help, and customer support. No, this is the 4 options. So we can type 2. And I don't know if it's going to happen, but we have this follow-up message. How you make this? How you make this welcome message and then these 4 options, and how you make when the user click 1 to send a message. To make this happen, you need WhatsApp API, and you need some development or an inbox tool that supports this type of behavior. The inbox is a tool that connects your WhatsApp API number with your agents. Okay, for the customer, myself, I'm using WhatsApp with your WhatsApp number. Okay, as you can see here, this is a regular phone number. I can see the information here. I can see, I don't know if there is some, business information, but this is this is not relevant. What is important is I'm the customer. I use WhatsApp to communicate with you. You have this automation here, so you can save some time. You can save some time for your agents, and I can choose the options I want to to use to connect. I don't know if this is working or not. I don't know if, because I choose one first, so maybe I don't know, maybe it's an agent taking over the conversation. This is another let's say setting for WhatsApp API numbers. You can have only a bot. You can have a bot and agents, or you can have only agents. This is something you can configure. This is something you need to set up. You need to define how you want to use your WhatsApp API number. So this is another example. This is as I mentioned, this is from Uruguay. This is a pharmacy chain WhatsApp number, and for pharmacies make sense to have something like that, for tracking shipments tracking, for support, for new orders, for if you want to help your customers, having WhatsApp makes sense. If you have some instead of one pharmacy, you have a few, or you are a chain or something like that, WhatsApp API really helps to put everyone together and make everyone work in the same space. So Punto Farma WhatsApp number, this is an example. This is how you can use it, and super easy, very convenient, and really helps the customer. Okay, well, thank you, bye bye.